God bless IFG. You see this one here full. This one here look. See? Full, eh? Alright. This one full, this one liquid. This one not black. This one side. Back side. You thank God. Now, check this. Come on, coming from here. From here.
Okay.
I'm coming. Maybe this one here, Demi. You understand? Maybe I have to open the back. Check. Thank you, my brothers. That's what we are doing. It's a very tight. I'm a commander mechanic. I work a lot, but this one here is a tough time because of this boat here. Very difficult to do. See? Very difficult. Press is like this. Very difficult. But we thank God. Now I move. Now, after this one, check it. Thank you. See you next time. This one here. You know, I dismantle it. There is no any brake oil coming here. No any brake oil. So I have to clean it and fix it again. Come. This one is a 2-cylinder. One for front, one for back. Reverse, you understand me? This one here, for reverse here. This one I remove it. So this bulb for this one here. Always brake fluid coming from this side. Brake oil coming from this side. But when I dismantle it, there is no any oil, brake oil inside. And then this one here, also. Like this, you understand? So the bulb coming this side here. So it could be maybe oil coming from this side here. And then when you depress the brake and then reserve air coming from this side here, and then you spread it. I don't know exactly. Now I'm trying to dismantle this one also. After, then I will know what to do now. Okay? Thank you very much. No have time.
Hello?
Balance.